This video is to show that the wireless HDMI send receive unit works. What's happening now is we're having a laptop play a video. It's a DivX and it's called the Hunger Game. It's just playing, and then what's happening is the laptop is connected to HDMI. The HDMI goes into this box here, and that box splits one HDMI into two. I'm only using this one, the one on the right, even though it says output 2 is the default one. So, and I'm sure if you put another one in there, it comes out another HDMI. So that HDMI goes into this box here. This box has a power and a source. There are 6 sources. Sources 5 and 6 deals with component, and the other 4 deals with HDMI. And this unit right now is on channel 1, not channel 1, but input 1, and that is being beamed over to this unit here, which is the receiver. The receiver is connected to power, and in the back it just has a HDMI input. There's also a port for remote control, but I'll talk about that later. So there's just a power button and a source. Again, it's 1 through 6. So this thing, it's receiving HDMI wirelessly, and it's going through here, going into a projector that has HDMI, and notice that it's playing. Now, in terms of, let's go back to HDMI and say here, this box is, when the HDMI comes in here, actually, I don't need the splitter if I didn't want to, because I can connect this, the one that's coming from the laptop HDMI, straight to the box, and the box has an output for an HDMI, so it's kind of like splitting, so I can actually connect that HDMI out, so I don't need a splitter. And so that's for video. So now let's move over to audio. In audio mode, when you go and pick the options for audio, you have this ZWD thing, and you have speakers. The ZWD thing, if I click on it, the audio goes to HDMI only and does not go to the laptop. Right now I picked laptop, and you notice that the music, once I increase it, you should be able to hear it. There we go, you can hear it. Now, if I wanted to go to the mixer, I would plug in my headphone jack here to the first one. The one inside is the mic, and this one outside here is the headphones. Now the music just muted, and now it's going. It's going into this headphone jack. I'm gonna listen here. There's right, and there's left. So take my word for it, left and right works. And the music is not going through HDMI anymore. Now if I set this one to default, then the music is no longer playing through the laptop. I pulled it out, just pulled it out, and you don't hear it from the laptop. But we'll walk over to the projector, and we're going to increase the volume on the projector. Oh, increase this way. And let's turn the volume up, actually. And let's walk over to the projector, and there, you can hear the volume on the projector. And the projector is having audio. So let's just make this full screen and show that it's capable of doing full screen. And there it is on full screen. We'll focus the thing and we can make it quite bigger if we wanted to. And again, we focus to make it clear. There it is, and we'll make it smaller. And now that's for that. Now let's go back to the remote control. The remote control has this button called source. That's just basically the same button as that. There, you hit 1 through 6. Power is the same as that power there. This power, that power is the same. And then you have this thing called channel. It has a few different channels just in case the frequency is interrupted by wherever you're at. And you want to change the channel, you just hit this and then it changes. Wide, I think, I haven't figured that out yet, but I think it just makes the picture wide or less. And info, I haven't tried that either. So let's hit info, and there it is. When you hit info, it just gives you information on the top of wide is off right now, and probably whatever channel you're on, or what's the resolution. It's 1280 by 800 right now. And then let's see if you hit, and then if you hit channel, the 2 will take a little bit to recalculate, but it'll work. So now they give you a series of infrared pickup eyes here. One is for the main unit, and the other one is for the receiver. So in case you want to use the remote control, but the thing is the infrared is angled, so you can't get it in the face, and if you want to press it from the back, you can easily use it with these infrared eye extenders around the corners and things. And that is that. So we have everything figured out. All we have to do, so I'm sure that if I plug another output over here, it should work. And if not, I can always take it and go from there, the pass-through. And that should do it. Thanks for watching the video. And this thing is called a Bright View Transmitter. Bright View Transmitter HD Wireless by Admion, and AMIMON. And the model number is B Boy V as in Victor 2822T. And here's the box. That's the box. And it's about $270 something for this toy here. And the HDMI splitter, which I might not need if I use this, then it's HDMI splitter 1 to 2. It's about $20 at Fry's. And just back to the audio. So the idea now is we're going to tap this audio into the mixer, and then from the mixer, it goes straight to the PA speakers. However, if I want to tap an audio out of here and go into another system, like let's say the TV system at a restaurant, then I would tap it out of my mixer, or just open it right here and do it. But it's probably, I need to play with my mixer and have it tap out of my mixer, and then that will solve the problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.